What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with another video. And as you can see in front of me here, I got a lot of boxes, and these are from a company called Nomad, and we're gonna just unbox these gear. And I just want to say thanks to Nomad for actually sending these out for me to check out on my channel. Appreciate that a lot. And yeah, today we're gonna check out some gear, see what they sent out to me and all the stuff. So let's start with the first product. All right, so the first product I want to talk about is actually this leather case here, as you can see here. So this is the card wallet, and this is the package it comes in. As you can see, it's super nice. I just love how Nomad actually package their products and all that stuff. And to be honest, I've been using this wallet for like a week now, and you don't really get nothing inside the box. You can actually pull it to open it as well, which is super clutch. So that's nice. And this is the wallet here I've been using for quite some time, and I can definitely say this actually smells so much like leather. I choose the black variant because I just like black in general. I choose to use the black one. I have all my credentials, all my cards and everything in here, and as you can see, you can actually put all your cards in here. And the wallet I had before, which was this bulky thing, as you can see here, this is the wallet I usually have before, and this wallet would like stick out my pocket. You can see it actually bulky. That's the only big issue I have with this wallet. I can definitely say when I'm using the card wallet, it eliminates all that bulk. So this is the wallet I usually carry with me. It actually makes my pocket so bulky, and it's just not pleasing to actually carry this around, and it actually eliminates the excessive cash I don't really use most of the time. So this is something I don't really use anymore, and I can definitely say this is now the trend. It's so minimalistic, and it's something you can definitely ask for on an everyday basis, on an everyday carry. So this is something I use every single day, and I have like 6 cards inside this thing, and I have the main one actually sticking out here. So yeah, this is super awesome. I love using this thing, and I carry this every single day. So this is the Nomad card wallet. So on to the next one. Alright, so the next accessory is actually the Earpods case. As you can see, this is the rough version, and I have it in black as well. I don't know what about the black colors, but black is one of my colors. So yeah, and you have the pull tab as well, where you can pull to open. And I've been using this case for some time on my Earpods Pro, as you can see here. So yeah, this is super clutch. This is super nice as well, very minimalistic, and it fit in any setup. As you can see, this is super nice. I love the black theme, and that's why I have the card wallet and also the Earpods case in the black version, and it actually protects your earpods as well. So if your earpods supposed to drop or anything like that, you don't have to worry, because this case is kind of rugged, so it's solid. So this case is super protective, so if your earpods should drop or anything like that, you don't have to worry about this thing. And I think this is shock proof as well, so you don't have to worry about the drop or anything. So you're good if you have one of these Nomad rugged case for your Earpods Pro. Super nice. I definitely recommend this thing. So yeah, that's basically my Earpods Pro case. I love it. So on to the next one. The next one is this 30-watt USBC adapter. As you can see here, it's good to have an adapter that charges your phone at such speed. So this is actually the adapter here, as you can see in this decent color here, and I can definitely say this is something you definitely need, because I'm definitely a person that always charging my phone. This is something you definitely need to get that juice when you really need it. So yeah, 30-watt adapter, something definitely a must have in your bag or in your tech accessory. So yeah, so the next item on this list is the pen, and this is made from aluminum and all that thing. And I can definitely say the weight of this pen is premium. You can definitely feel how premium this pen is. And sorry for my penmanship, it's really bad, I know. This pen actually boosts my productivity as well, making me want to write more in like physical book and all that stuff, instead of like writing down things in my phone. So taking up this pen and using it make me feel like, yeah, this is what I'm supposed to do, write things down instead of putting it in my phone. So this pen is good, and sorry for my penmanship, as I said. And I'm a person that always, like, when I'm on the road, I would like lend my pen out to someone if they ask if they could borrow my pen. but not this one. This is actually staying here, so this pen will be staying here. And the best part about this pen is when the ink inside of it is finished, you can actually refill it, so you don't have to worry about getting another one and another one each time the ink runs out. So this pen, you can actually refill the ink inside of it, which is super great. And the next product is actually this ear tag leather loop. So this is for your ear tags. It's super convenient as well. I don't really have my ear tags here. I don't know why, but it actually uses 3M tape inside of it, which you can put the ear tags in the middle and you just firmly press down both sides when you remove the 3M tape. Yeah, so that's how it's actually placed inside of this thing. And this is the part where you can maybe attach it to your key or your bag or something like that. So this is very convenient. I'll be using this a ton as well. On to the star of the show, which you can see here, this large box here. And this is the Nomad base station for your phone. You can charge wirelessly and also your earpods as well. Let's just open the box here real quick. Boom. So as you can see, this is all that comes inside the box. And one thing I can definitely say, the packaging for Nomad products is super good. I really like how all these packages have been like put together and all that stuff. The presentation is super good. So yeah, big props to Nomad for that. And let's see what we get inside the box here. As you can see, we get an adapter here, and we get the base station itself here. This is the base station here. We get a power cable as well. So this is a USB type C to type A power cable, which charges this thing at 18 watts, which you can charge wirelessly at 18 watts. So that's super good as well. That's actually fast charging. And you get also some different outlet adapters. So maybe depending on the country you're in, you have a US and a UK version, as you can see here. So yeah, that's super convenient. And that's all you get inside the box. So yeah, that's basically all that come inside the box of this thing. And as you can see here, this is the base station here, which you can charge your iPhone or your AirPods wirelessly at 18 watts. So that's actually fast charging, which is good. So I'll definitely be testing these out to see if it actually performs or charges my phone at the speed it says it charges. It feels very premium and leather. The smell of leather is so good. I really like how this thing smells, and I really wish you can actually smell this thing through the phone, but hell no, you can't do that. I'll be charging my phone, my AirPods with this thing, and I just want to say big thanks again to Nomad for sending all these products out to me for me to check out on my channel. I really appreciate it, and I really love them as well, and I'll be using all these products here. Oh, and I've actually forgot one of them, which is this key clip here. So this is actually to like attach your keys and all that stuff on this thing here, and this is super nice. I'll be using this thing a lot as well, because I definitely carry my key on my waist as well and something like this, but this one looks more premium and more aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I will definitely be using this as well. Yeah, so that's basically for today's video, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead by subscribing down below and ringing that notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new content. And I just want to say big thanks again to Nomad for actually sending these out to me to check out on my channel. Really appreciate it. And I will have links to all these products I unboxed today, so links will be in the description for you guys, and also to Nomad website where you can purchase all these things. So yeah, if you ever need them, links in the description. And as always, I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.